I miss the Freedom Park.
Anyway, so today, thank you.
I'll be the boy playing the boombox by your window pane. I'll be the girl wearing your shirt out in the pouring rain. This ain't a rom-com, this is real life. Let me show you a bit. Don't need to play no games. So why don't you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kind of cliche, but either way, I need to say anything.
Wow, iba ka na. Kaliwa po tayo, sir. Chill lang tayo. Chillin. Ay, may... What?
Diba?
The road! What happened?
Bella?
Saan
ba tayo duman sa may Sayat? Sa bridge?
Oh my gosh, I used to live there. Live talaga. Grabe nag-road widening na pala. Bakit madami ng cars?
Honestly, di ko din nga gets bakit road widening. Kasi pagdating din naman sa gate, nagbabattle na.
Gabi.
Kabilang side ng Pili Drive. So yung mga tao, nagjo-jogging dito.
Ikaw nag-jog ka na din siya?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa ako nagjo-jog sa LB. So yan.
Wow.
So yun ang budget ng College of Agriculture.
Wow.
Muna yung mga building nila.
Oh my gosh, yun?
Tsaka itong isa, tinan mo gano'ng kataas.
What? Grabe, may budget na.
Sabi daw na yan, tagal na daw ng project. Hindi na-delay pa nga yan sa lagay. Pero pareho yung CA na buildings.
Wow.
Tinan mo din pala yung grandstand. Buti may progress na after 8 years.
Oh, wow. What? Grabe. May grandstand na. Well, hindi pa, pero soon.
Laki, no?
Yeah.
Tapos tinan mo, may ganun pa.
Wow.
Magiging oval na talaga siya. Tapos tinan mo na yung tennis court.
Ay, oo nga.
Ganyan, tapos open na siya.
Yung Baker Hall, ganun pa rin.
Still Baker Hall.
Oh my gosh, I miss the park. Freedom Park.
I miss the park.
Freedom Park. Aww. Hello. To get some coffee. What's the best
Ako yung go-to ko, Bonbon Latte, fermentation naman ng Spanish latte. Pero less sweet. Kasi yung sweet.
Sige. Sige, I'll try that.
Sige, anong super try mo isa? Or okay ka na doon?
What is...
Tultol sa latik, no?
Anong tultol?
Sige, ako lang magtutry.
What's tultol?
Tultol sa latik is, yung tultol is yung parang local, parang salt. Tapos latik is yung...
Sige, try natin. Try mo na? Hindi pa?
Version. Yung tultol sa latik. Possible ba siya parang...
Today we're chillin'. When naging personality na rin yung personality ni Jet sa vlog.
So we're just here chilling.
Anyway, so today is day 1. This is Jan and Melly. Himnida. Ano sasabihin ko? Alam mo yan, naging joke na lang, hindi na naging serious ever. We're here at Likha Cafe here in UPLB. Jan's favorite cafe, LB. Then it's my first time here. It's been a while then since we went back to LB. Feel ko it's nice if we were still studying and this place was around. Feel ko this would be like one of the more favorite spots for us, diba?
Kahit medyo malayo siya sa... Hindi siya nandun sa may campus talaga. Knowing na good yung coffee. At the same time, may free wifi din sila eh. So, yun. If kailangan mong mag-study or chill, or okay dito.
Dati ba when we were undergrads, saan tayo madalas nag-kusina, McDo, coffee? What else? I don't know where we get like good coffee talaga. Cafe culture here hindi pa strong before, years ago. Oh. Now lang talaga. Thank you! Bonbon. And then kay Jan is...
Tol Salatik.
We will try it first.
It's good. Ito naman.
This is...
Tol Salatik. So, medyo may salt. And then yung sweetness din sa lahat. Ayun na. So, yun sa mga. It's okay. Patry ko naman.
I love like
Patry lang pala ako na less sweet.
Happy na.
Shot.
Kasha pala. We're back. And this is Baker Hall. Nasaan yung pool?
Yan.
Saan?
Dito yung papasok.
Yan na. Okay. Ayun nga, no? Wow. Gated
Ayun, sasabihin ko nga.
Gated na yung pool. Dati, anyone can just walk in.
That's true.
Ayan. Ay, alam mo, mas maganda yung color. Thank you. Oh, grabe nakakamiss naman. What are they building there? Yan. Dorm ba yan? Or new building?
Kung dorm or graduate school.
Grabe, intense naman ng dorm. DL O'Malley. Walang saan ako mag-focus eh. Maria ba nga? There's oble. May mga may sablay pictures. Yes. Kwek Tower. Oh my gosh. College ko. Nandyan. It's okay. It's okay.
Ito talaga yung surprise.
Oo nga. Ako din.
Sobrang lawak dito.
Oo, nakakamiss
Welcome
naman.
to the groove.
Ibang-iba na din. Vega. McDo is still there as always.
Donor Durum.
Ay, it's still there nga, no? Chowking.
Chowking.
Dunkin. Oh, Bonitos. Oh, wala na.
LB Square.
LB Square Store, kung saan tayo nag-grocery.
LB Square, kung saan ka na wasted.
Ikaw na wasted.
Ikaw yun.
Hindi ako yun. Wala na yung mga super cup.
Oo, wala na pala yun. Super.
Si B nalalasing din sa super cup eh.
Sa 1 liter na milk tea.
Si Mernels also. Sarap. It's good. Oh, sip ulit tayo. Sip.
Hindi na spin. Sip.
Ayan, so traffic as always dito. Tignan natin yung traffic. Wow. You know, hindi gumagalaw.
Feel ko nga rin sa traffic.
Pa-sounds ka naman dyan, love.
Siyempre, I listen to this music. And you listen to your
That's
music.
the song for the day.
So we compromise.
This is, going on the vlog.
And then we will listen to your music. That's compromise.
Kunyari lang, nasa liked songs niya yun. Mukhang pilit ba yan? Yung gumaganon?
Kung music ko yung masusunod, edi syempre, Billy.
O, diba? Yan ba yung mukhang pilit? Love you like that. Okay lang, they like this.
Yogurt?
Oo.
Sige.
Strawberry and mango.
Yogurt talaga.
Iniinom nila. Carabao. Nata?
Wala. Ano?
Oh, wala.
Wala.
Sige, ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Hindi ay nga try.
Yung nata?
Pwede naman magtira.
Ah, sige.
Ano? Matry nyo lang din?
Oh, sige.
Hindi ba matigas yung nata?
Hindi naman po.
Isa lang.
Hindi ko yun sa inyo.
Oo nga. Medyo.
Oo, na-surprise pa.
Pero mas sweet lang to, no?
Nata na yun.
This is me after pickleball.
Dapat pala kung nag-vlog ka kanina na nag-record ka kanina. This is me before pickleball. Ako alam yung mga ganyan-ganyan eh. Pero laking bagay yun.
Yung ano?
Yung active track.
Pero pag matinuan ganito.
Sayang. Hindi ako lalabas.
Dito
lang ako today.
Sabihin
nila, sino yung
attitude naman ng makeup artist na yun. O, diba?
Ganda, nagkaka-shape talaga.
Ito yung lagyan natin blusher. Ma-orange ka.
Talagang ano,
Siyempre, pag ano ka.
pre-practice.
Oh,
Yes, wearing fresh looks.
pwede na.
So, hi! Book niya na sila.
I'll be the boy playing the boombox by your window pane. I'll be the girl wearing your shirt out in the pouring rain. But this ain't a rom-com, this is real life. Let me show you a bit. Don't need to play no game. So why'd you say